This right here is a meter bearing which is used to measure the speed of front tire. It goes on the left side right here and then connects through a wire to the meter, and that's how we get to know the speed. And hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Builds. We have a new bike in our inventory. This is a Bullet 350 standard. We recently bought it, and the only defect is the meter doesn't work. This speedometer and the odometer both doesn't work, so I'll show you that as well. I recorded already, and now we are going to fix it. I'll show you how it works as well. We need to change the wire for the meter, so let's do it. Check this out, we are riding at least at the speed of 40 km/h and our meter shows nothing, it stays at zero. And even if you notice, the odometer is also not moving, so that's the problem. So let's fix it. Here is the cable, and we don't need any hi-fi tools for it. We just need plier and some screwdrivers and should be good to go. This is the cable. Look at this, this right there, it is the cable for meter, and it goes right in the front wheel right there. So you just need to open up this screw and this will come right out here, just like that. Now let's take out this wire and inspect it. So if you are not able to pull it, that might be a good thing. The wire might be okay, but if you are able to pull it, that doesn't mean it's broken. But you just pull it out and inspect. If it is broken midway or something, then you need to replace the wire. This is the old cable. I just pulled it out, and if you look at this right here, it is broken. That's why it was not working. So let's just replace it and see if it works or not. Let me show you how it works. So if you turn the wheel and look at this bearing right there, this is a bearing, right? So when you turn the wheel, you see that bearing also rotates. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, see, it rotates and it spins the wire inside, which is connected to the meter, and then this is how it works. In some cases you might need to replace this bearing as well. But I think it is spinning, but I'm not sure if it is spinning properly or not. So I'll replace the wire first and we'll see if it works, then fine. Otherwise we'll replace the bearing as well, which is also quite easy. So now let's open the headlight. Kalakar. This is the meter wire which we need to take out. Okay, let's take it out. So right here, this is where the wire is connected. So you just need to twist it anti-clockwise and it comes out easily. And then you can pull it out of the headlight carefully. Look right here. Make sure you don't break any other wire. So right here, this is the old wire. Okay. The new wire just goes in. And then the new wire just goes in the same way. You can just put it through the hole and then connect it on the top. So while connecting it on the top, just make sure you put in the metal wire first into the meter and then connect it, turn it clockwise so that it's connected properly. Make sure the connection is quite snug and good, otherwise it might just not work again. And right there, just put it into the meter and just tighten it. That's how it's connected in the meter. Yep. Okay. Next on the top, now bottom side on the wheel. That's it. Ready for test. Work with the wire. So we've got this meter bearing. Let's install it and see if it works or not. Oh, hopefully this will work now. Here it is. This right here is a meter bearing which is used to measure the speed of front tire. It goes on the left side right here and then connects through a wire to the meter, and that's how we get to know the speed. And let's take off the front wheel now, few screws and it'll be out. Here is the old bearing. इसको संभाल के रखियो. Check this out. This one doesn't spin, you see. It spins intermediately. Let's install it now. Just goes in. You see it has 2 notches. If you see this notch 1 and 2 goes here and here. लग गई. टाइगर बस. हाँ घुमा. ओके. Just remember the tire goes in from bottom to up. Otherwise you just install all the screws as they were, the bolts, and I guess we are done. Then we go for a test ride. And just put the meter wire back in right there. Okay. So our meter wire has been fixed as you saw, and I'm currently editing the video. I'll be posting it soon. So hope you're liking the video. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.